Hello and welcome to our easy-to-follow guide on how to create an account on our Webstore. To create an account, click on My Account, then Register on the drop-down list. You can create an account by simply entering your email address and entering a password. You might wish to save your password to your computer if given the option. Your password must be at least 8 characters long and must contain at least one uppercase letter, a lowercase letter, and one number. It is good practice to also include a special character, such as a $, hash, or %, so that your password is more secure. In our case, we'll enter jsmithy $51. Once we create an account, you may be prompted to edit your account details. Here you can enter your first name, last name, company name, if any, country, and street address. Only after you have entered your postcode will the suburb selector drop-down menu appear. Select your suburb from this menu, then enter your preferred payment method, telephone number, and any company information if applicable. You can review and modify all your shipping addresses from Edit My Address Book menu item. We hope this guide helps you navigate through the order process. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please do not hesitate to contact our customer support team.